Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to make subscribe link for YouTube channel. It's very simple, let's start. First go to youtube.com. Click your profile icon, it's at the top right corner of the page. Click your channel. It's near the top of the menu. Highlight the URL in the address bar. You can usually do this just by clicking the address at the top of your web browser. Press Ctrl+C button. This copies the URL to your computer's clipboard. Open a text editor on your computer. Right-click the blank page and select Paste. The copied URL now appears on the page. Add sub-confirmation to the end of the URL. Don't insert a space, just start typing it after the last letter of the URL. Copy the new URL to your clipboard. Open the location where you want to insert the link. Right-click the typing area and select Paste. The copied URL now appears on the page. Okay, I hope you are understand, so if you like this video please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon button. Thanks for watching.